Alright, you know we flying through outer space. We about to check out these Galaxy phones right here. The S20, the S20 Plus, the S20 Ultra, and, well, the Z Flip. So let's get into it.
What's going on, everyone? This is Dom, and today we're talking about Samsung's latest and greatest, the Galaxy S20 Plus and the Ultra, and of course the Z Flip. Shit, man, what a trip. But let me tell you all about the best of the best that these phones gonna pack. But nonetheless, I digress, so sit back and relax. First off, across the board with the works, each phone packs 120 hertz in display with that super file refresh rate on the way to the top of the game. And 240 hertz touch response. Samsung came in, stepped up to the plate with the massive 6.9-inch giant display on the Ultra today. But that ain't it, so don't you dare back away. So with this phone, we bout to see into space, see a galaxy, and take note we embrace, because this tech is on another level. You know that camera is incredible. All these specs be at the top of the universe, fam. I'm sure you know that every model packs 12 gigabytes of RAM, expansion galore, and 128 gigabytes for your selfies and more. But that's not where this ends. Just sit down and let me tell a little story, my friends. So we got that camera zoom, 10x for sure, a little 8K video and aperture. The S20 and the Plus packing the heat with 64 megapixels on the rest. Could be, you know, the 108 is starting to pop, but you can only catch that one in the Ultra and not the lower models you see. But let's step it up a notch, cause they all rock 5G.
Man, you know I had to do something different for this Samsung stuff. I mean, this phone, these phones, they're crazy. Look at the Z Flip, like, that shit is crazy. I don't know. Specifically though, I mean, having a dedicated zoom lens like this, up to 100 times zoom with the help of the 10 times optical zoom lens on a freaking smartphone, that's fire, like, for real. I mean, there's also a single take mode which will utilize everything that the camera has to offer and spit out multiple shots from different lenses, give you some different combos of things, plenty of postable options with one click. And on top of that, like I said, the camera shoots up to 8K video at 24 frames per second, which is pretty damn impressive. Another good reason to pick up all of these. I don't know. I want to know which one is your favorite. Obviously, I don't have hands-on with the Z Flip, but I think that it looks pretty cool. Let's hope it doesn't, you know, have any of those problems like the, well, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, let me know what you think about these phones in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button, and also be sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you're new around here, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when new videos like this drop in the future. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. This is Dom, and I will catch you in the next video.